Hi everyone and welcome back for another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how to search, filter, and apply for jobs on Indeed step by step so you can land your next opportunity with ease. To those who don't know, Indeed is one of the largest job search platforms offering millions of job listings worldwide. It also allows you to apply for jobs quickly, upload your resume, and even set up alerts to stay updated on new opportunities. Now let's go and let's get started. Go to Indeed and make sure that you sign up for an account. Once you're in, you will be redirected here to your homepage where you can see all of different job posts. Now, we want to tweak what you can see on your homepage to your preferred job position. So you can go to the search bar and type it in the keywords that is related to the job position that you are applying for. For example, in my case, I'm looking for administrative assistant or executive assistant, so I can just go and type it in assistant here. And here for the next bar, it's for the location. I'm really looking forward for a more remote position or work from home opportunities. So I can just go ahead and type it in remote and go ahead, click find jobs. Now go below the search bar and here you will see filters. We can tweak the job posts that are going to show up on our homepage by tweaking these filters. For the date posted, I would recommend that you choose jobs that were posted 24 hours ago. This way, you will have lesser competition in that position and you will also have the opportunity to be in the top list since there are fewer applicants and the job post was just recently posted. Now let's go to the job type. You can choose full-time or part-time, but in this case, I will go and click full-time. Click update. And for the company, you can choose different companies that offer positions with assistant keywords. So in my case, I really don't have preference for now. So I will just go ahead and click all. And for the job language, you can choose the language that will relate to the job position that you're applying for. So to apply for a job, you can just go scroll down below and find the right job you think fit for you. So for example here, executive assistant to the co-founder and CEO. You can scroll down below and find the job description here, the salary, the requirements, key responsibilities, and the benefits as well. Now, if you think this is the position that you're looking for, you can go ahead and click apply. It will automatically open a new tab for you wherein you can continue applying for the position. One thing that you need to do first is to upload your resume. So make sure that you edit your resume. If you don't have a resume, you can do it here. You can create it manually, so you can edit this one. If you have a PDF resume, that would be good as well, so you can just go ahead and click that if you have already uploaded that. In case you have uploaded a wrong resume, you can just go to the resume that you have uploaded. You will see here resume option. Click that and you can go ahead and click different file. Now go and choose the correct resume and it will automatically load here. And if you're satisfied with the uploaded resume, go and click continue. After that, answer these questions that the employer have about you and your experience. After you finish answering all the questions here from the employer, you can go and click continue. And here you will see the summary of your application. You have your full name, address, number, resume, and you could also add a cover letter or additional documents such as certificates, portfolio, and such. And if you want to get job alerts about this job position or this kind of positions in the future, you can go and toggle this to switch it on. Don't forget to click submit to successfully submit your application. Now that you know how to apply for jobs on Indeed, go ahead and start your job search. And if this video helped you, hit like, drop comments, and subscribe for more job search tips. See you in the next one!